Hey guys, Claire here from CompanyCam, and welcome. If CompanyCam isn't working properly on your web browser, there's a few things that you can do to make it work. The first thing to note is that CompanyCam works really well on 3 specific browsers. One is Google Chrome, the next Safari, and lastly, Firefox. If it's still not working well when you use one of those browsers, you can make sure that your browser is fully up to date. And lastly, you can clear your cache. Today, I'm going to show you how to do both those things on all 3 preferred browsers. Let's take a look. When using CompanyCam on your desktop, you're going to want to make sure that your preferred browser is up to date so that it can effectively run CompanyCam for you. So how do we check how our browsers are up to date? Let's start with Chrome first. First, you'll go here to Chrome, About Google Chrome. You'll see here it'll bring you into Google Chrome settings, and you can see that Google Chrome is up to date here. If it wasn't up to date, it would ask you to update. Next, let's look at checking Safari. So if you want to check if your Safari browser is up to date, you'll go up to Safari, About Safari, and again, it'll show you if your Safari browser is up to date or not. Mine is, and if it's not, it will prompt you to do so. And lastly, we will look at Firefox. So again, you'll go up to Firefox, About Firefox, and that will open up this window here. And again, it says Firefox is up to date. If it's not, it will prompt you to do so. Now, the last step that you'll want to check if CompanyCam is still not playing nicely on your browser is clearing your cache. So let's begin with Chrome first. First, go to Chrome settings. You'll navigate over here to the 3 dots, settings. You'll come here to privacy and security. Go up to this first option, clear browsing data, and it'll bring you to this screen. Make sure that browsing history and cached images and files is checked, but cookies and other site data is not. And then you'll press clear data. Now we'll look at clearing our cache in Safari. Come up to Safari in the top toolbar, navigate to clear history, and then it will prompt you to clear history, whether that's one of these 4 options. I'll choose all history, clear, and then you're good to go. Next, let's look at clearing Firefox's cache. Navigate over here to the 3 dashed lines, preferences, privacy and security, and then you'll simply be able to scroll down to cookies and site data. Press clear data, and make sure that cookies and site data is not checked. And press clear, and you're good to go. These are the most common troubleshooting tips to make sure that CompanyCam works well on your web browser. You can also visit our Help Center to find tutorials on almost anything. And if CompanyCam still isn't working well for you, you can always chat with our support team through the web app or the mobile app, and we'll be happy to help you out.